Okay, so question 2 says an airplane is to take off from Birmingham Airport and must take a flight path that is an equal distance away from both Bristol and London airports. Draw the possible flight path. Well, what we've done here is we've loaded up another fresh file so that it doesn't get too confusing, and we've been asked to draw a flight path of an airplane that is taking off from Birmingham and must keep an equal distance away from Bristol and London. And hoping what you can see here is that my flight path will be an angle bisector. So let's first of all construct the angle, which will be between Bristol and Birmingham and London. Now just to help show that what we're doing is cutting this angle here in half, I'm just going to use this angle tool just to show you the measurements of the angle. Feel free to use this, but you certainly don't need to be able to do the question. This is really just so I can show you how accurate this process is. And what we've got here is an angle of 77 degrees and just a little bit over. What we're going to try and do then is to cut that in half so we remain in equal distance from Bristol and London. Now, I'm sure you remember from when we did this with the pen and paper methods, is that we need a compass for this. So again, we're going to come to our compass tools. We're going to use a circle with a centre through point. So first we select the centre at Birmingham and we just draw out an arc. Doesn't matter too much how big it is, as long as it intersects both lines, and just click to draw that circle. Now from here we're going to have to draw another 2 circles or arcs from this point here and this point here, but we need to show Geogebra where those 2 points are, and so again we're going to use the intersect tool. So the intersect tool, remember, we make the circle bold, the line bold, then we click to get our node. Do the same on the other side, circle's bold, line is bold, we click. So on these 2 points we're going to draw an arc or a circle. So again, circle with centre through a point. Here's my centre, click, open it out, make sure that the arc is crossing more than what we think will be halfway, and I click. Now, to be able to draw a circle with the same radius as this one, rather than copying and pasting it this time, I'm just going to show you a slightly different method. Hopefully you can see here that the radius of this bold circle here, centre is U, circumference is at W, and so that is my radius there. So I'm actually going to use a circle with compass this time, so compasses. And what it asks me to do here, if you just read up here, it says select 2 points for the radius and then the centre. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Click the centre of the old circle to W, which gives me the radius. You can see now it's drawn me the circle. All I have to do now is select where I'm going to place it. The centre is U. Okay. Now, it's a little bit confusing at this point, but just watch what we've done. Here's our original circle. Here's our second 2 circles. And what we want to do now to bisect them is find that intersection point and that intersection point and draw our flight path. So again, last time, use the intersection tool. 1 circle bold, 2nd circle bold, node. And at this end, 1 circle is bold, 2 circles are bold, node. Then what I want us to do then is to finally draw a line through the 2 points. Connect those 2 points, and there we have our possible flight path.